This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom this device has to offer. So first of all, I gotta enter the photo mode, and then let's zoom into things and see what is the farthest we can go. So as you can see, the maximum zoom that I have an access to is 10-fold. And I'm zoomed into our logo, and by the way, as you can see, the zoom is very decent. I do not lose that much details, and the shot does not get very blurred, so I would give this zoom 10x zoom a very good evaluation if you ask me. But there is also another trick. It is the fact that you can enter the microscope mode and zoom 20 or 40-fold if you want to. So let me show that to you real quick. It is just a very tricky mode to use. You gotta catch the perfect distance between the camera lens and the object itself. But in theory, as you can see, it provides us with the 40, even up to a 40x zoom, under which we can see a lot of cool details. Just gotta catch the right distance, as I've mentioned, and make sure that your hands are not as shaky as me, or you might want to, make your phone and object stationary, at least. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.